When I unpacked this monitor and connected it to my laptop computer, my wife was walking by. She stopped to tell me how great the display on the monitor was. She never cares about electronics, hers, mine or ours, except for how useful they are for her. She's a good person, really, just not one to appreciate technology. The display looks phenomenal. It also has a number of ports so I can connect my laptop, with one cable for both power and display, my Raspberry Pi with retro gaming software, my main video game machine, my soon-to-be purchased Switch, my game-filled iPad, and my less game-filled iPhone. I enjoy the occasional game, but mostly have been using this as a second screen for use with productivity software and my laptop, just like I promised my technology-avoidant wife when I bought it. I have used it for some presentations with clients and I think it works much better than the portable projector I used to use. Even at the lower brightness setting, when using the single USB-C for both power and video, it looks vibrant in bright locations. The other thing that impressed me was that it is the only electronic device I've purchased in years that didn't require multiple other accessories to be purchased in order to use it effectively, protect it or store it.